In today's video, I'll show you how you can increase the video quality on Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So first is that you want to open up your Premiere Pro project. Once you're here, you want to go into the project tab, which is right here, so that you'd be able to right click in here in the empty space, click on new item and go for adjustment layer and click on OK. If you can't do that for some reason, then you could just need to expand this tab right here so that you'd be able to click on the empty space or click here on the new item button, which is this one, and adjustment layer. Once you have your adjustment layer, you want to drag it into your timeline, covering all of your clips that you would want this effect to cover. So I suggest the entire duration of your video right there. And then once you have this on your timeline, you want to go into the effects tab, go for sharpen. And from here, just simply need to drag it into your adjustment layer. And now in here, in the sharpen amount, you just simply want to set this into 10. And then next is that you would need the unsharpened mask, which is this one. Adjust and put it into the adjustment layer and make this 100. And with that, you would now be able to see an increase in quality. So that's it on how you could do this on Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.